Most gardeners fail at composting because they believe there's only one right way. That myth sends tons of organic matter to the landfill. Composting is a process, not a rigid technique. You can do it anywhere, with any resources. Today, we'll break down 6 proven composting methods for every lifestyle and climate. By the end, you'll know exactly which method fits your life and how to start. In nature, nothing is wasted. Microbes transform waste into new life. Let's discover how you can harness this ancient cycle in your own garden. The classic compost pile is nature's furnace, perfect for those with space. Combine 2 parts browns, leaves, straw to 1 part greens, kitchen scraps, grass. Build a pile at least 1 cubic metre to generate heat over 60 degrees Celsius, killing weed seeds and pathogens. Keep it as damp as a wrung-out sponge, and turn it regularly to add oxygen. This aeration keeps microbes thriving and speeds up decomposition. With proper care, you'll have rich compost in just 6 to 8 weeks. It's fast, efficient, and transforms waste into garden gold. Limited space. Compost bins offer a tidy, contained solution. The process is the same. Balance carbon and nitrogen, keep it moist, and ensure airflow. Bins need ventilation. Holes or slats let oxygen in and prevent bad smells. Layer browns and greens to avoid compaction. Jump-start decomposition by adding a scoop of finished compost or garden soil. Bins work in almost any climate and keep composting neat and manageable. Perfect for small gardens or patios. Want a no-fuss, invisible method? Try trench composting. Dig a trench 12–18 inches deep in your garden, add kitchen scraps, and cover with soil. Microbes and earthworms break down the waste right where plants need it. No turning, no smell, and it's protected from wind and drought. Move along your garden bed, burying new scraps each week. By season's end, you'll have rich soil exactly where you want to plant. It's effortless, slow-release fertilization. No outdoor space? Vermicomposting brings composting indoors with worms. Use a shallow, ventilated bin and bedding like shredded newspaper or coconut coir. Add red wigglers and feed them small amounts of chopped kitchen scraps. Keep bedding moist and bury food to avoid pests. In 2 to 3 months, worms turn waste into nutrient-rich castings. Harvest by moving worms to fresh bedding and collecting the finished compost. It's clean, odourless, and perfect for apartments. Prefer a hands-off approach? Cold composting is for you. Add organic waste to a pile or bin as you have it. No turning, no ratios, just patience. Decomposition is slow, taking 6 to 12 months, but requires almost no effort. Avoid adding diseased plants or weeds, as the pile won't get hot enough to kill them. This method works in any climate, even if the pile freezes in winter. It's ideal for busy gardeners or those with steady small amounts of waste. Set it, forget it, and enjoy rich compost later. Bokashi is a unique indoor method that ferments food waste, even meat and dairy. Layer scraps in an airtight bucket, sprinkle with Bokashi bran, and press down. The microbes ferment the waste, producing a nutrient-rich liquid you can drain and use as fertilizer. After 2 weeks, bury the pickled scraps in soil or add to a compost pile. Soil microbes finish the job, creating compost in just a few weeks. Bokashi is fast, odor-free, and expands what you can compost. Great for kitchens and small spaces. Composting is about biology, not weather. Every method provides carbon, nitrogen, moisture and oxygen in its own way. Choose the system that fits your environment. Composting becomes easy. Finished compost smells earthy and crumbles in your hand. Use it to enrich soil, retain water, and boost plant health. Composting is the essential first step to a thriving living garden. Subscribe to Nature's Blueprint for more natural gardening strategies. Let's rebuild soil together.